This module is to train store staff on safe dock maintenance. The objective of this module is to familiarize you with the safe dock and the daily inspections that are necessary to keep them in a safe operating condition. 97% of new parents walk into your stores carrying their baby in a car seat. These new parents shop 60% more frequently and buy more. In fact, double that of other shoppers, making them your most valuable customer. But there's a problem. Parents can't place their carrier on the child seat of the shopping cart because this is unsafe. Thousands of babies and carriers fall off shopping carts every year, and even the warning on your shopping cart seat flap says not to do this. So parents put their carrier in the basket, leaving no room for merchandise, which is a lose-lose proposition. They're frustrated and can't buy everything they need, and you give up increased sales from your most profitable shopper. Retail's new best practice, the Safe Dock, is a universal baby car seat docking station that allows the carrier to go from car to cart, freeing up the entire shopping cart basket, and completely solves this problem, allowing families to shop safely and conveniently, letting them buy everything they need, and maximizing your basket ring.
Inspecting your safe docks is necessary to keep them in proper working order. To assist in your safety inspection program, please use the downloadable Safety Inspection Checklist for shopping cart infant docking stations. The safe dock should be inspected on a daily basis to identify problems early. Have staff familiarize themselves with the safe dock and what to inspect. The warning labels should be present and fully legible. Make sure the safe dock is anchored securely to the shopping cart with all 4 nuts fastened tightly. Also, make sure there are no cracks or protruding areas on the units that may cause injury. The overall appearance should be clean and inviting, with no signs of excessive wear, fading, stains, or damage. The harness should show no signs of visible fraying, be free of rips and tears, and free of excessive wear. All stitching should be visibly intact, with no loose or pulled threads. The buckle should show no signs of visible wear, no cracks, breaks, or missing halves or parts. The buckle should function properly when buckled and released. Fasten the buckle and pull the mating ends of the belt. If buckle unfastens, replace the belt. If buckle can't be unbuckled, replace the belt. If your harness needs to be replaced, please call 800-356-7796 for replacement parts. Clean the unit as often as needed using a mild soap or detergent. Make sure all cleaning agents have been completely removed from the unit prior to putting it back into service. A safe dock that fails any of these inspection checks or is not installed consistent with SafeStrop's safe dock installation instructions should be replaced. To replace the safe dock harness, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver for propping up the gate. Prop the shopping cart gate into its raised position as shown, using a screwdriver or piece of wood. Find the 2 screws that secure the harness to the safe dock. Remove the screws and the metal plate. Do the same on the other side of the harness. Pull the old harness through the holes in the safe dock. Discard. Keep the screws and metal plates for attaching the replacement harness. Hold the replacement harness in front of the safe dock. The red release button should point down. From the front of the safe dock, insert one end of the replacement harness into the harness receiving slot. Using the hardware from the old harness, insert the metal plate into the end loop of the new harness. Secure the metal plate to the safe dock using the screws from the old harness. Repeat these steps on the other side of the safe dock. Tighten all 4 screws. Return the shopping cart gate to its lowered position. The safe dock can now be returned to service.
A safe dock that fails any of these inspection checks should be taken out of service immediately and brought to the attention of maintenance staff. Once done with your inspection, Please keep SafeDock carts accessible and visible at each entrance of your store. Carts with SafeDock should be available to parents with just one pull. Most retailers provide SafeDock on at least 2% of their carts. Should the amount fall below this, please take action to restore to recommended levels. For further information about SafeDock and other safety equipment for the retail environment, visit www.safestrap.com.